no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Nnamdi Kanu done the Sokoto kirikiri. Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. No writing. He's the leader of IPOB terrorists. Killing people in the name of freedom, eating their fellow humans for lunch, instigating people against each other. Lies and propaganda is their hobbies. Ambushing people for ransom and kill, commanding people to burn properties, cutting your fellow human private parts while she's still breathing. What a life. Kanu did a lot of atrocities in the east. Innocent blood are crying for justice. Oh God, what are people in our society? Nnamdi Kanu done dey Sokoto kirikiri. He done dey Sokoto chillin'. Mister, you don't know love, now me know love. Nnamdi Kanu done dey Sokoto kirikiri. He done dey Sokoto chillin'. Mister, you don't know love, now me know love. See, person way no Lord on dey Sokoto. Oh, repentance, no dey this man plans. Imagine the arrogancy in the court of law. My guy, you chop your eye for kirikiri. This time you will learn in the hard way. Those online audio country crying babies. Biafra is dead and buried with Ojukwu the criminal. You can keep lamenting in your foolishness. You don't want to learn from the past mistakes of your forefathers. Keep recycling. You want to leave, but you are everywhere, occupying people's space. No appreciation, no regards for your host, raining insults. If them talk, you go cry, say people hate you. These IPOB zombies are foolish for the living. Nnamdi Kanu done dey Sokoto kirikiri. He done dey Sokoto chillin'. Mister, you don't know love, now me know love. Nnamdi Kanu done dey Sokoto kirikiri. He done dey Sokoto chillin'. Mister, you don't know love, now me know love. No peace for the wicked. The wages of sin is death. No peace for the